Hey everyone, this is Faris. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create pixelated NFT art in Photoshop. Also, I will show you after creating your art how to increase the image size. But before this, please subscribe my channel, share this video with your friends and don't forget to like. Let's get started. Go and create new document. Add these values 80 by 80. Background transparent. Hit OK. Now press Ctrl 0 to fit the canvas. Go and select pencil tool. Size is 1. Now change the color to black. It's pixelated. Let's draw our NFT, but before this let's add a background. I will go with this color. Hit OK. Create a new layer. Let's draw our NFT. I am taking an example from CryptoPunks. Click here, Ctrl Shift, click here. Take it down. Create a new layer to add a hat. Let's add glasses. Choose a white color. Fill it with white. Let's choose a red. Now blue. Let's add a face color. Create a new layer and go choose something like this. Just paint on the area has been left. Let's add a hat color. Select this layer and go to files, save as, select the location desktop, JPG, NFT, save, hit OK. Now if you go and open the image, you will see its size is more small. If you zoom it, it will get blurred. So how can we increase the size? If you select all layers, right click, merge layers, press Ctrl T. If you try to make it bigger and press enter, you will see it get more blur. Now how can we fix it? Press Ctrl Z, go to image, image size, change these values 1000, hit OK, press Ctrl 0. Now if you increase the size of your art and hit OK, it will fix it. Go and save again this JPG NFT 2, save, hit OK. Now let's see this one. Here we go. So this was the full process of how to create pixelated NFT art. I hope you guys learned something from this video, and if you want to ask something, please leave it in comment below. I would love to answer. And sorry for any incorrections because I am new on YouTube. I'm trying my best to give you best content. I will see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Take care, bye bye, peace.